Keep those boundaries intact. When a narcissist tries to guilt you, channel your inner Iron Man or, Katniss Evergreen. Stay cool. Stay confident and unapologetically firm in your boundaries. You're not here to win an acting award like they are. This isn't a movie set. This is the real world. And you're here to protect your well-being and to thrive. Despite them, they're meaningless. And they're just the biggest worry is that everyone's going to see through them. Everyone's going to find them out. Yeah, so not my circus, not my clown. It's time for a reality check on this narcissistic drama. Get ready to unveil the truth behind Narcissist Victim Act. Imagine that you're on the hottest reality TV show and a narcissist pulling out all the stops to win your sympathy. They want you to believe that they're a helpless victim trapped in a never-ending sob story. They'll hold your applause, my celebrity friends, because it's just another act in their manipulative narcissistic script. Narcissists don't actually seek out genuine empathy. They don't. Narcissists are on an eternal hunt for control. They want you to shoulder the burden of their narcissistic emotions and well-beings, but they're looking for someone to save them. They were looking for a superhero to lift up their whole city, to keep them afloat. But guess what? You're not their personal superhero, and it's not your job to save them from themselves. No. You're on your own journey to thrive. Remember, you are the protagonist of your own story, so you get to write the ending and fill it with strength and resilience and triumph. And click the link in the descriptions to see a Narcovery Mastermind, and after the link, you'll have a chance to book a one-on-one session with me.